Make it fun, make it exciting, make it engaging, make it in so people can connect with you in a real way, especially if you're online, especially if this is just you're communicating through digitally and you're not doing it in person, so you don't have any of that physical going on. And the reason why is people love physical, face to face, hand to hand, belly to belly, eye to eye contact. They love it. They love it. And they don't have it. We don't have it. We're on the digital world. So, how much is reduced? How much do you think of your impact, your personality, your product, your service? How much of that is reduced to a minimum because of this? The way I look at it is if you meet me in person, I'm this way. And you get the 100% full experience of Stephen. You've got it all. Boom, here I am. But you meet me on a video, via video or through text. How much of me are you really meeting? Are you meeting 10%, 15, 50? Who knows? That's why you need to make it fun and engaging and bigger than life. Because I'm not getting the full impact of your person in person because it's through the digital context, because it's through a letter, because it's in a service and it's not there. If I want to get the full impact of your person, then you need to make it bigger than I actually am. And that's how you're going to impact me. So that's the first point. The second point of why you want to make it fun, why you want to make it interesting, why you want to make it exciting. Well, first of all, it should be exciting to you anyway. And if you want to case it in a boring box, which a lot of people do. I mean, they have some exciting, let's just take AI. AI is an exciting revolutionary change that I think can really help the world in hundreds of ways. But we pack it in a lot of technobabble, words like observability and visualization, which is just hard to pronounce, and CI/CD and blah, 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 blah. Nobody's going to, people are just going to get bored and fall away. No, we got to present this in an exciting and engaging way. And the reason why you do this is because of action movies and mobile phones. I'll tell you what, I'm thinking here. So here's the thing, is that action movies and blockbuster films, they way outsell documentaries. They way outsell dramas. Why? Because they're fun and exciting, because that's what people want to watch. Do people watch documentaries? So when you have a white paper or a case study and it's written like a documentary, do you think that people are going to watch that or read that? Or do you think that they're going to go and, play on Instagram or TikTok or whatever they do? Just think about it. What do you think? Yeah, some people have to, and they have to do the study. So it's like, okay, I have to do this. I need to figure that out. But wouldn't it be good if their studying was actually fun? And so while they're learning information, they're learning something that's enjoyable. That's what I'm talking about. Now, let's take the mobile phone, for example. I don't know if this is true, but I read that 98% of time on mobile is entertainment. So that means you're using this business device for entertainment. And we've got games and we've got all this time wasting activities with social media. All of that's entertainment. So we're using this and it's fun and engaging, but are we really using it to have information, and usually boring information? No, we do it because it engages us, because we like it, because it's exciting, because we want something from it. And that's what you want to give your customers. You want to hit them at that level. Now, if you're wondering how to do this, you don't know how to do it, you want to, look at me. Here I am. This is Stephen. I can help you with this. You want to do that? Just email me. Or if you're not ready for that, go ahead and get the 7 power keys to explosive business and sales. That'll give you a boost and an idea on how to do this. And then when you're ready, we can talk. Now, if this information helps you, if you're liking that, give a thumbs up, comment, give a like, subscribe. Tell me what you're needing and if this resonates with you. And if it does, then we can talk more. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.